Hello friends, today I will explain you how we can calculate median for the discrete series. So today's agenda is we need to calculate the median for the discrete series. Before proceeding for calculation, I'll explain you what is the meaning of discrete series. Means how you can identify that the given series is discrete series. So for that I am explaining you a series in which observations are given and respective frequencies are given. That kind of series is known as discrete series. So you can see in that table, this table is indicating you this is a kind of discrete series. Here observations are given against the x value and the frequencies are given against the f. So x is representing the observation and f is indicating the frequencies of these observations. So this is a kind of discrete series. Now further we are proceeding for calculation of the discrete series. So here we need to know, we have to perform certain steps to get the value of median for a given series. In case of discrete series, the first step is we need to arrange the data either in ascending order or in descending order. Secondly, we need to calculate the cumulative frequency. Thirdly, we need to find the n plus 1 by 2th item. And lastly, we need to locate n plus 1 by 2th item value in the cumulative frequency column. Its corresponding observation would be our median value. So now we will perform these steps with the help of one example. So firstly I am showing you a table which is indicating you how we can form a table for calculating the cumulative frequency. So here you can see there are three columns. The first one is the x column in which observations are given. Second one is f column. Frequencies are given in this column. And lastly, we have calculated cumulative frequencies. So with this table, we can find out the value of median for the discrete series. So now I am taking one example to give you the better understanding of the median calculation in case of discrete series. So here the example is, you can see we are given with the certain observations and their respective frequencies. So for this data we have to calculate the median value. So according to the procedure which we have already discussed, firstly we need to arrange the observations either in ascending order or in descending order. So I am arranging all the observations in ascending order. So here you can see this is the arrangement. You can see observations are arranged in the ascending order, that is 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 12. And along with that frequencies are arranged, means respective frequencies which are given in the main question. According to that particular observation we need to keep its respective frequency while arranging the data. Now the next step is we need to find the cumulative frequency. So for the first data, whatever is the frequency, the cumulative frequency will be same. That is for the third observation or for the first observation, that is 3, its respective frequency is 5. So the cumulative frequency would also be 5. Now for the next observation, the cumulative frequency would be 5 plus 4, 9. For the third observation, it would be 9 plus 2, 11. For next observation, it would be 11 plus 6, 17. And for next one, it is 17 plus 6, 23. And lastly, it would be 23 plus 7, that is 30. So this way, we have found here the cumulative frequency. Now the next step is we need to find the n plus 1 by 2 tooth item value. So here firstly we need to find the value of n. So the n is summation of f, that is the frequency sum would give you the value of capital N. So in this table you can see the 30, that is for the last observation, whatever is the cumulative frequency, that can be the summation f, or you can sum the f column, means the frequency column values we can sum and get the value of n. So here the n is 30. So now we are replacing 30 into n plus 1 by 2 item. So it is 30 plus 1 by 2th item, that is 31 by 2th item. It is 15.5th item value. So now we need to locate this 15.55 value in the cumulative frequency column. So you can see 15.5 is greater than 11, but it is less than 17. So that way we can say 15.5 is falling under 17. So its respective observation, that is 7, would be our median value. So this way you have seen that the given series, given discrete series, how we have calculated the median value. So for this question, the median is 7. So with this, I am concluding the calculation of the median for the discrete series, and I extremely thankful to all of you for watching this video. Thank you so much.